Blessings of Talos upon you.
Hello. Just here at the Shrine of Talos. I'm going to read a book, The True Nature of Orcs. Orcs were born during the latter days of the Dawn Era. History has mislabeled them beast folk, related to the goblin races, but the orcs are actually the children of Trinimac, strongest of the Altmeri ancestor spirits. When Trinimac was eaten by the Daedrith prince Boethiah and transformed in that foul god's insides, the orcs were transformed as well. The ancient name for the orcs is Orcimer, which means the pariah folk. They now follow Malak, the remains of Trinimac. Who is Malak? He is more commonly known as the Daedrith Prince Malakoth, whose sphere is the patronage of the spurned and ostracized, the sworn oath and the bloody curse. He is not technically a Daedra lord, nor do the other Daedra recognize him as such, but this is fitting for his sphere. Of old he was Trinimac, the champion of the high elven pantheon, in some places more popular than Ariel, who protected them against enemies without and within. When Trinimac and his followers attempted to halt the Valathi dissident movement, Boethiah ate him. Trinimac's body and spirit were corrupted, and he emerged as Malakoth. His followers were likewise changed for the worse, despised by everyone, especially the inviolate Ariel. They quickly fled to the northern wastes near Sarthal. They fought Nords and Shimmer for a place in the world, but did not get much in SKYRIM. In SKYRIM, Malakoth is called ORCS, or Old Knocker, and his battles with Ysmir are legendary. That's that. So it is, the silence has been broken. I'm going to show the amulet to Delvin Mallory.
Huh?